So, people might search for your product or for your services on Google, but if they find you, then if they don't find your videos, your social media, your other publications and stuff like that, then your brand is also less credible and less trustworthy. So it all comes back together, because Google will look at all those things as well and check, okay, what can we find about it on the internet? Right? So if you're building a brand and you're investing in building those channels as well, it will help the brand on Google, it will help the brand on other search engines, it will help the brand to become much more credible and trustworthy. So that's why we do really strongly advise everyone.
Personal brand, especially as a business owner.
Yeah.
So when a person Googles my name, or when I Raymond put it down, they see all the videos, the books, and a little bit of this lifestyle. They're like, okay, I would like to work with and he's there. It's being written about him.
Yeah.
So it's the content created according to your niche, mixing up with the lifestyle in an entertaining manner, telling the story. It helps. You saw how actually we did this thing. If you watch the video, you kind of heard some of the examples we told, and people are voting to us. Watching video has a real advantage.